Hi world, my name is David. I would like to introduce the company I work for those who have been looking for sourcing and producing mask and PPE suit in Vietnam. Namyang has been known as a apparel manufacturer. We've been working with world-class retailers and brands like Target, Kohl, H&M, and Adidas in producing many kinds of products like pants, jacket, top, hoodie across all genders and items. With the HQ in Seoul, Korea, it has 4 factories in Vietnam, 1 in Philippines. Considering ongoing epidemic, we all understand the importance of getting mask and PPE suit in short amount of time for frontline workers as well as hospital staffs, or for even those who are conscious about virus and hygiene. Namyang has successfully converted the existing lines into mask and PPE suit. Production line. If you are interested in mask and PPE suit, if you have any inquiry on cost and delivery, please feel free to contact us with the contact info below available. For your information, links are also attached below that you can find who we are, what we do, and what kind of a mask and PPE suit we can produce, and so on. Thank you very much for watching this video. Look forward to hearing from all of you. Bye.